Hey, so my camera, it does videos now.
Oh, you suck.
It's a new video camera.
What are we video recording?
We are recording you right now. This is a new digital camera that I got for Christmas from my dad. So I can take a video
Well, your
of
dad
you.
sucks, because now you're getting me a moving picture.
Oh no.
Yeah, we'll do this.
Oh, you're so bad. So what do you think of Houston so far? What do you think of my apartment?
I think your apartment is quaint.
My apartment's
I don't
good.
know. Quaint, cute.
Quaint, cute.
Something along those lines. I think Houston is big.
Oh yeah?
Everything is big. Everywhere is big.
Well, keep in mind, you've only been around for how long? I mean, we still have so
3
much.
hours, 4 hours.
Yep, exactly. Okay, what other thing you want to say is your last message as your evening journal? Maybe we'll do this later on tonight or tomorrow morning and the next day, and just to keep an update. Here, I'll even pan to myself. Can you see me right now? Look at another thing.
Yes, I see where this is. Right
Yeah, yeah. So it's okay. So then let's go around and say. So what are your last parting shots for tonight? Is it for this moment at whatever fucking time
You're
it
gonna
is?
make a documentary?
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
And then I can put it on a DVD and video. I can put it on a CD and burn it to you, and then you can watch it in your DVD player.
Lots of poetry, right? Right?
Yeah, I do have lots of poetry. Well, I don't know if I would want to read. Oh yeah, I don't know if I want to read that on a camera.
That's not the answer I wanted.
You want me to read it on a camera to you?
I think you should read it on camera.
Really?
And put your voice on tape.
Yeah, no shit. I need that. I definitely need to do.
It's the same thing. But yeah, you should put your voice on tape already. Those are my words for the evening.
Okay. I wish
and equality.
My camera can't focus. Equality.
It's special.